Installation of metallurgical microscope. Remove the fixed coil. Remove the dust cover and insert the eyepiece into the eyepiece tube. Install eyepiece. Remove the fixed coil.
When installing the platform, pay attention to both the front and back sides. Install tablet clamp. Align the lightbox pins with the main unit's connector and install the lightbox. Install color filter. Loosen the fastening screws and remove the dust cover. Install the adapter lens interface and tighten the fastening screws. Install the camera device and plug in the data cable, connecting the other end to the computer. Installation of metallographic analysis software. Click on the first step and then proceed with the default next step. Click on Step 3 to install the dongle program. Click on Step 4 to install the camera driver. Click on System Plugins, install commonly used Microsoft programs, and then click Finish. Use of metallurgical microscope. Turn on the switch on the right side of the microscope. Switch the objective lens to 10x. Take out the ruler from the software box and use the 0.01 scale. Place the ruler on the platform. Connect the camera cable to the HD camera. Click the video link to view the live image. Adjust the coarse and fine adjustment knobs until a clear image is achieved. Click to collect. Click to calibrate hardware parameters. Draw a horizontal line from left to right. The actual length is 1000 micrometers. In the current objective lens section, delete the default setting and change it to 10x. Finally, click Save. Finally, click Close. Sphericity Rating Tutorial. Click Video. Click to collect. Click on Tissue Analysis, then Sphericity Level Analysis. Click on Graphite Search. Click to join statistics. Click OK to export the report.